It's Marco Johnson here. I'm the editor of BuildSteel.org, which is powered by the Steel Framing Industry Association. And with me is Charlie Carter with the American Institute of Steel Construction, AISC. And we're here in Louisville, Kentucky at the NASCC, the Steel Conference. So welcome to Louisville.
Well, thank you very much.
It's exciting here at NASCC. There's a new cold form steel education track.
Yes.
Several sessions, and tell us about how that came together. It sounds like it was rather quickly, but anyway.
Right. Yeah. As a part of all of this, there were things that were going to happen that were no longer going to happen, and one of those was a cold form conference. And what do we do with that? You know, we of course looked to the things that we already have in motion, and one of the options that the group heard and decided to take was, well, let's just put a track at NASCC.
Yeah.
This is a broad conference. There's so much going on. It's what used to be just the AISC conference, but now there's a quality track. There's a detailing track. There's an SSRC track. Well, now there's a cold form track, and it's exciting to see the growth of the tracks. And it's too early to know, how did it go? I think it went well.
Very nice.
I haven't heard anything otherwise, but we'll build it from this year to next and the next.
Excellent.
And,
good deal.
Looking forward to that.
What's maybe finally, what do you think we can do, Steel Framing Industry Association, SFIA, and AISC, just to partner? We've got the hot rolled folks sharing some of the hallways with the cold form steel folks a little bit here with this new track. So it seems like partnership is a good thing. What would be your comment or your thoughts?
Yeah, well, I think as this is developing, there's a bunch of organizations that have stepped into roles that are going to be meaningful for the future. The basic standards, we're working through a process to figure out how to integrate AIS 100 provisions into the AISC specification. There were many more standards than S100. Some of those wound up with SFIA, some with MBMA, some with SDI, and there's probably some that are going to wind up with others. But we can coordinate all of those, keep coordinated on all of those. Do research jointly where it's whoever's interested in the research can participate in funding. I think all that kind of coordination on those things, education, whatever else there is to do, it's going to happen through SAC, and it gives us a mechanism across our industry to coordinate and just as importantly, keep clear when we don't have common interests.
Very nice. Well, Charlie, thank you so much for spending time with the Build Steel audience, and we're looking forward to more of the show today and the rest of the time here in Louisville.
Thank you. Appreciate the opportunity.